What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this very quick guide, I'll be showing you how to unlock the Growbed in Subnautica 2. For this, we'll need to head all the way out to the alien ruins, which pops up during a story mission. If we have a look at the life pod, we're 1,300 meters away, basically straight east. You'll head east from your base, through the hot area, down and through the gigantic gap between the mainland and this alien side land here, and eventually you'll land up by the alien ruins. What we're looking at over here is the Growbed. That's it. Grab yourself a scanner, head towards the roof of the alien ruins here, and you can scan this Growbed over here, ticking off one of two. Then we can head just over towards the west side, and by this one here, we can scan it, and there we go. We've successfully unlocked the Growbed completely. That's it. Once you've unlocked them, you can grab yourself a habitat builder, and you should find under a brand new tab, cultivation, we've got Growbed here, as well as a bunch of different plantables which all require different materials. Pent, acid rayon, macaron sponge, cradle shoot root, mimic pylon, necrolia cyst, freesia flower, and cherry moya rotsack here. We can grab a Growbed, and this can be placed, I don't think inside, yeah, it needs to go outside. Can it go on the roof? It can go on the roof of the alien base. Yep, we can put it up here, and we can expand it sideways, much like we can make windows, and we can also place this straight on the ground, though I think building has issues over here, as again, we're right by the research outpost. Anyways, once you've done that, we've now got ourselves a Growbed ready. If we head to cultivation, and we have one of these things on us, for example, fibrous pulp and copper, we can actually plonk down a plant over here, and it should grow from small size to the big size that we had previewed earlier. For example, this mimic pylon. That's it. You now know how to use the Growbeds in Subnautica 2. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.